In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send audio messages in Slack step by step. This is a super useful feature if you want to communicate faster, explain something more clearly, or add a more personal touch to your conversations without typing long messages. Whether you're using Slack for work, team collaboration, or community chats, audio messages can save you a lot of time. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials, just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack on your computer and make sure you're logged into your workspace. This method works directly from the Slack desktop app or the web version, so you don't need to install anything extra. Once Slack is open, go to the channel or direct message where you want to send your audio message. This could be a team channel, a private group, or a one-on-one conversation. Make sure you're in the correct chat before moving on. Next, look at the message input area at the bottom of the screen. On the left side of the message box, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus icon is where Slack keeps additional options for sending files and media. Go ahead and click on that plus icon to open the menu. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see several options appear. From this list, click on the option that says Upload from your computer. This allows you to send files directly from your device, including audio files. Once you click this, your computer's file browser will open. Now, locate the audio file you want to send. This could be a voice note, a recorded message, or any supported audio format saved on your computer. Select the file and confirm the upload. Slack will now start processing the audio file. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds, so just give it a moment. Once the audio file has finished processing, you'll see a preview inside the message box. At this stage, you can add optional text if you want to give context to your audio message. When you're ready, simply click the Send Now button. Your audio message will be sent instantly to the channel or conversation, and other members will be able to play it directly inside Slack. And that's it. You've successfully sent an audio message in Slack. This is a great way to communicate more naturally, especially when you're short on time or need to explain something in more detail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.